Why most people stay broke and how to escape. Why do most people stay broke even when they work hard every day? The answer might surprise you. It's not just about how much money you make. It's about how you think about management and use that money. In this video, we're diving deep into the habits and mindset that keep people broke. And more importantly, how you can escape the cycle and start building real wealth. Let's start with the biggest reason, your mindset. Most people stay broke because of limiting beliefs about money. They think wealth isn't for them, that they're just not the type to be rich, or that no matter what they do, they'll never get ahead. But here's the truth. Your beliefs shape your reality. If you don't believe wealth is possible for you, you'll never take the actions that lead to it. Pro tip: start by changing the narrative in your head. Believe that wealth is not only possible, it's available to you. Reason number 2, overspending. People stay broke because they spend more than they earn. Living paycheck to paycheck becomes a trap. You work hard, but you never feel like you're moving forward. The solution? Live below your means. It's not about being cheap. It's about being smart. Pro tip: track your spending. Make a budget. Cut the junk. Prioritize saving and investing. Reason number 3, lack of financial education. Most people were never taught how to manage money. They know how to earn it, but not how to grow in it. They don't understand budgeting, investing, or how interest works, and that lack of knowledge keeps them stuck. Pro tip: educate yourself. Read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, listen to finance podcasts, or watch videos like this one. Knowledge builds wealth. Reason number 4, fear of risk. A lot of people choose safe jobs and play it small because taking risks feels scary. But here's the truth. Playing it safe won't make you rich. Building wealth takes uncalculated risks. That could be investing, starting a side hustle, or learning high-income skills. Pro tip: don't jump blindly but don't freeze in fear either. Study, plan, and take smart risks that move you forward. Reason number 5, not investing. Most people work for their money, but the wealthy, they make their money work for them. Investing in stocks, real estate, or businesses creates passive income, and that's how wealth is built. If you're not investing, you're missing the biggest wealth-building tool available. Per tip: start small, even $50 a month. Apps like Robinhood or Fidelity make it simple to get going. Bonus tip: patience and consistency. Wealth doesn't happen overnight. It grows slowly, then suddenly. Stick to your plan. Keep saving, keep investing, and keep learning. Remember, the ones who stay consistent are the ones who win. Escaping the cycle of being broke is possible, but it takes effort, discipline, and belief. Shift your mindset. Take control of your habits and learn the skills that lead to wealth. Start now and build the future you deserve. Which tip are you starting with today? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more no-fluff tips on mastering your money.